Open the glove box. Remove the damper arm. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip the tab and slide the housing door to the right. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing with its arrow pointing up. This filter's arrows are not indicative of airflow direction. To reinstall the housing door, hook the left side into its catch, then reclip the tabs. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Reinstall the damper arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.